What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today, big help out for my buddy over here. He's actually going to homecoming, and I'm letting him use my car. Now, I know what y'all are gonna say. How am I gonna trust some random guy driving my car? He's not just some random guy. Actually, his brother and his 4-cylinder EcoBoost, oh yeah, it's actually him right there. They have a 300 horsepower car. They know how to drive with a little bit of power. I mean, granted, it's not 400 horsepower. I mean, me, I don't have a crazy high horsepower car, but he wanted to drive my car for homecoming, so I'm gonna let him. And I have got my car all clean, so he'll be able to represent Ford real good at Cy Ranch. One of the best things about letting him drive my car to homecoming is the girl he's taken, they are a huge Chevy family. So now they get to see what a real car is. I'm curious to see what they're gonna say. And what's going on, guys? This is the day after the homecoming, the day after I let Rodrigo use my car. I will put all the footage that he got after this clip right here. He didn't get too much footage, but I'll put that all at the end of the video. As you can tell from my car being in one piece, Rodrigo didn't abuse it last night. He didn't scratch it. I already looked over it and everything. And the reason I let Rodrigo even use the car was because in my senior year of high school, I had somebody who let me drive their Corvette to prom, and that was truly an experience I'll never forget. It was awesome driving that Corvette, and it was another thing that kind of helped me get more into the car world. So when he asked me if he could use my Mustang, I was more than happy to let him. And for those of you who probably think that I was stupid for letting some random guy use my car, Rodrigo, he's not just some random guy, he's a family friend. He watches all my videos, and he's a big Mustang fan, so he asked to use my car, I'm gonna let him. Now, I am posting 2 videos today. This one obviously is gonna be towards the beginning of the day. I am gonna be posting another one at the end, so check back later today and there'll be a video. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a really short video and there wasn't too much in it, but I just wanted to show y'all, you know, that I was letting a subscriber use my car. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day. Okay guys, well, this is the first video where I'm actually letting somebody else film the entire video. I'm giving this camera to him, letting him record whatever he wants, so I guess I'll see the results as I'm editing it. Here you go, sir.
Wait,
it is going, y'all. All you gotta do, push the red button, it starts it, red button again, it stops.
Is it all right now?
Yep.
Hi guys, my name is Rodrigo Zelaya, and I'm here with my brother Caesar Zelaya and my girl Jessica. Well, we're at Vintage Park.
You're about to see the montage of our food.
Yeah, we have to record. Wait, hold on. You want to shout it? Wait, come here, get closer.
No, my Snapchat is Road Squad, but don't add me, my girlfriend crazy.
Andrew, you want to be in my vlog? Yes, sir, bro. Here. That was so lame.